Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be throwing a chuck roast on the grill. Going to give it a try here. This is a 4.5 pound chuck roast. Now what we got here is some lime juice and Worcestershire. Half a cup of this, half a cup of this. We're going to pour that on, let it marinate just for a little bit while we're getting the fire going. Then it's going to be a simple rub. We're going to take some kosher salt, some coarse black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Mix that together and put on the outside, and then we'll throw it on there. I'm going to cook it around 250 degrees, and then once it gets to about 160, we're going to pull it off and wrap it. Let's get started. All right, now I'm just going to pour this around on there. The lime juice will actually help start breaking down the meat. It'll actually be a meat tenderizer. Lift that up, make sure it gets underneath there. And then what I'll do, once we get that there, let it sit there, I don't know, 30-40 minutes. We need to let this come up to room temperature anyway. And then what we'll do, we'll take it out there after we get it seasoned good, throw it on the smoker. See you in just a little bit. Alrighty folks, now for this rub here, it's a simple rub. I did 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Like I said, it's just a simple rub I'm using. We'll put that on here shortly. Alrighty, we let that sit on there about 45 minutes. Now, we'll take our rub, put that on there liberally. All right. Now, let that sit there for just a couple more minutes. Take this out there. Let me go check my fire. Be right back. Alrighty. Place that on there. We'll be out and keep an eye on it here. I'll let you know how long it took. Alrighty folks, I checked the temperature. We're up to 162, and here's my little handy dandy thermometer. Checked is 162. What we're going to do now, we're going to pull it off, and I'm going to take it inside here, and we're going to wrap it, and we'll let it finish cooking out in the oven. That's all I'm going to smoke it out here today. I've got some other things to do, so we can finish it off in the oven. Alrighty folks, now I took a half a stick of butter and cut it up. We're going to place that on there, and then also I'm going to pour down in the bottom of this a little bit of beef broth, and then we're going to cover this up with tin foil and place it in the oven 250 degrees until it gets up to roughly around 200, something like that there. See you in a little bit. Alrighty folks, like I said, we finished it off in the oven there. I think I'll whip up a little bit of gravy here in a minute. Alrighty folks, there you have it. We just made some french fries go along with it. Made the gravy, I poured that over the french fries. Throw a little bit of barbecue sauce and some mayonnaise. There you have it. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.